guys, welcome back. This is the Sunday Faves and Days video where I share with you guys the things I've been loving or not really loving for the week. We are still here in San Francisco, and by the time you guys are watching this video, we're most likely already on our way home. I tried to kind of dress it up a bit with the firefly lights in the background, but the lighting in here is amazing. It's kind of like a ring light, but it's a square light. This is in the bathroom, by the way. Hope you guys are having a great weekend, and let's jump into my faves of the week. These are from the brand ANKIT by Kiss. These are called the Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick, and they have a little bit of that Kylie liquid lipstick vibe to it because you have liquid lipstick drippings on the packaging. It's really pretty, by the way. Found these at my local CVS this week, and they are super inexpensive. They are $1.99. I think it's only going to be available at CVS for a very limited time. So the RK stands for Ruby Kisses. This is also from the brand Kiss, if you guys are familiar with Kiss lashes. I'm wearing the shade called Dune, nudie pink color. So let me show you what the wand looks like. Curved little applicator to it, a fruity scent. It's nothing that's overpowering. It definitely fades away. It feels super comfortable. It has like a tad bit of tackiness, like a slight bit of tackiness to it, but the best thing I like about it is that it doesn't crumble. It has a really nice thin formula, which I prefer in liquid lipsticks, and this has a matte finish, but it doesn't feel like it's super drying. Of course, you want to moisturize your lips. You also want to exfoliate prior. The other one I've also been enjoying this week is in the shade Trust Me, which is more of like mauvey type of pink. There is Trust Me, and there's Dune. If you ask me which one I prefer, I really love this color called Dune. It has excellent lasting power. I was able to eat through this and drink, and it definitely did not budge. Love the way how these perform. Super affordable. I have to give a yay to this week. It's also from the brand Ruby Kiss, and this is called the liquid. It's just a black liquid eyeliner. This is also waterproof. I believe this was $1.99. I think it was $1.99. Super affordable. Reminds me of the Prestige eyeliner, a felt tip eyeliner. It has a bit of a flex to it also, but it is really pigmented. Love the way how this product performs because you do get a nice matte black line, which I am wearing today on the eyes. The only con I will say to this product is that I did have a bit of trouble winging out my liner just because I'm used to having the felt tip a little bit longer. So I had to kind of go back a couple of times to really get a precise line. Other than that, I think the liner performs wonderfully for $1.99. Absolutely love the fact that it's waterproof. It's a really good deal. We're gonna throw in a higher end product that really surprised me. IT Cosmetics. It's the Your Skin But Better CC Plus Illumination. It also contains SPF 50, which is a major plus in my book. In the shade Medium, I am wearing it today. This has a pump applicator. It gave my skin a nice glow. It didn't make me look glittery. It didn't make me look oily. It just gave my skin that really fresh, healthy look. I've been using a lot of products that has more of a matte finish, but I think because it is a little bit colder, it just dried my skin out. So this product really just brought back that luminosity. Wet n Wild. And this is one of their newer eyeshadow palettes. It's the Color Icon palette in the shade Rose in the Air. Seriously, it looks so similar to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, which I have definitely shown so much love to this palette. It's definitely one of my favorites. So I mean, the colors are pretty much, you know, they're pretty much like dupes of the Modern Renaissance palette. I am also wearing one side with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance, and the other side is this palette. Can you guys guess which is which? This side right here has the Wet n Wild, and the other side has the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Use the exact same colors. They were pretty much spot on. I will say though that the Modern Renaissance did have a bit more pigment, so I would have to go back with a little bit more of the Wet n Wild palette. But I mean, $42 to $5, I mean, it is such a good deal. Pretty much the same thing. Quickly swatch this color right here, which is very similar to Red Ochre from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm just gonna swatch it right here on my arm. Just a really quick swatch. This is the one from Wet n Wild, and this is the one from Anastasia Beverly Hills. You get a ton of color payoff with the Anastasia Beverly Hills, whereas with the Wet n Wild, you would have to go back again to really get the same intensity as the one from Anastasia. But I mean, pretty much they're the same exact thing. For the price point, this palette from Wet n Wild is a really good alternative to this one from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Lastly is gonna go to my nays of the week, and I was super disappointed with this product because I thought that there would actually be more color payouts, and these are from the brand Candy Cashmere Silk. These are demi matte cream lip colors, and I love the packaging on these, right? I love like the pink and clear packaging. I have a doe foot applicator, super sheer. They almost feel like NYX butter gloss in my opinion, except less pigmented. This one is called macaroon, which I just swatched right here. The one I have is called creme brulee, almost like a nudie pink color. Last but not the least, we have this peachy color called sorbet, and sorbet is right there. I think price point on these were about $5.99 or $6.99. They definitely have more of like a glossy finish to them, but the color payout wasn't what I expected. Let me layer creme brulee on top of what I'm currently wearing. I think these make really great lip toppers. They go on really smooth. They feel a bit like a jelly. It's also not long lasting, just to let you know. Once I ate or drank anything, these were like, they were completely gone. That is everything I wanted to share with you for my Sunday faves and nays video. Again, my apologies if there's like that echo and it's just not the normal setting. Don't forget to comment what are some of your yays or your nays of the week. I would love to know. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you guys are new here. I would greatly appreciate it. Follow me on my social media. Sending you guys, as always, positive vibes for a wonderful week ahead. And also, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you check out the videos listed, I believe, right over here. You guys might also enjoy these videos as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.